How to fix Instagram Reels not working on PC. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fix the Instagram Reels not working on PC. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So if you want to fix the Instagram Reels not working on PC, you can head over to browser where you've opened it. And after you have opened it up, you can just go ahead and check your internet connection first, because that may be the reason why it is not working. After that, if that is not the reason, you can head over to your browser at the top and go to the settings after that. Scroll down and head over to settings. Open up the settings of your browser. After that, go to privacy and security. And once you are here, go to delete browsing data. Once you are here, you should be finding this on your device. Go ahead and select delete data after selecting the time range. And once that is done, it should probably fix your Instagram Reels not working on PC. Otherwise, set the browser as default as well. That may also help. So that is how you fix the Instagram Reels not working on PC, following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.